It's me, the Soldy Man. You seen the title of the video, y'all.
I'm the fashion demon.
Bro, bitch, I'm speeding. Y'all don't know shit about that. I'm playing. Listen, you saw the title of the video. I'm gonna be giving away all the sauce on my fucking latest song, y'all. Real dirty. Go take a listen. Simple. Let's hop straight into it, y'all. Listen. Boom. So how did I even start it off, y'all? I started off with the Jay-Z instrumental. You know what I'm saying? But it's gonna get heavily modified. Shh. Simple. Alright? So let's just take a listen. How does it normally sound? Alright, you get the idea. Groovy as hell, already an awesome template to work with. But, listen, heavily modified. So I actually sped the sample up to 206. Originally, it sounds much slower. Will not waste time on it. Next up, I put the drums on it. We do shit different in the underground, so I had to hype it up. I used the rip kick from the Axe to Roll drum kit. Find that hoe on Reddit. Simple. You already know what's going down. So let me explain what my logic, okay? Simple 1 and 4 rhythm, right? But I don't override the beat. In fact, I complement the beat by adding, little extra kicks in the offbeat and giving it momentum in places like this. For example, that extra boom, boom, boom. It's like you getting punched in the boom, boom, boom. You know what happened to him. Same type of deal, all right? Adds that extra momentum. Lets me do my motherfucking thing on it. Simple. Next up, I added the 808. This is the process I'm going with, okay? Take a listen. You see? You see what's going on here. Listen, it's all about complimenting and creating space for the rapper to do his thing. So when the rapper flows in on it, you already know it's going down. Simple stuff. Next up, I do a little bit of extra. Okay? So I threw in a couple of perks, couple of spicy blends, couple of extra things. Alright? So that 808 you just heard was from the KD Pro 15K kit. Go ahead and find it on YouTube. Okay? Boom. So let's listen to it with the perks. What did I really do? Pay attention. So I'm giving it more bounce. I'm getting you. Let's take a listen. Yo, what the fuck is that from? Listen, that's from Sonic Heroes. Sonic Heroes, Sonic Heroes. You already know the deal, bro. That was Big the Cat. Also get another sample in here. She's saying yeah. And then, bro, later on, when the shit really gets hot, when it gets spicy, take a listen to this. It's that twerk music. It's that twerk energy. Listen, if you put a clap on every downbeat of a song, you're gonna make the bitches twerk. It's just what they do is instinctual. They're just gonna start clapping. Alright? Simple. Alright? What's next? There's a couple of other things, okay? So, I added on to the beat, but I also added on to that intro. I got that classic. Alright, let's just go ahead and take a listen to this.
You're listening to that Soldy music. You're listening to that Soldy music. You're listening to that Soldy music.
Simple. Alright, you're listening to that Soldy music. I made that myself. You just gotta have the swag in your voice and go ahead and say something. So now we're gonna go ahead and get into all the extra stuff, okay? The stuff that makes the magic. So, all right, you see the patterns, the 808s, typical stuff. Create space for the guy, all right, for the rapper. Don't be doing too much on these beats, y'all. Less is more. Simple. All right, next up, let's go back to the intro. Let's rewind a little bit. Listen.
Y'all ready? You're listening to that holding music. I don't think you're ready. Got one thing on, I'm 14. Just wanna know where I'm at, can ignore me. Got a bitch talking on the phone, she adore me. She been running mouth, talking how she horny down.
We did a lot right there. Okay? So the intro, I took another sample. What can I say? I can't help it. This is from Tyler, the Creator's Call Me If You Get Lost. This shit right here.
The sun beaming. Y'all ready?
You already hear it.
Y'all ready?
Same thing. I just stretched it a little bit. That's gonna get annoying. I did the same thing right here.
I don't think you're ready. Got one thing on, I'm 14. Just wanna know where I'm at, can ignore.
You already know, bro. Just take a look. All right. Next up, I did the flipping automation. Automation is crucial if you're trying to mix like them sigil core rappers, if you're trying to add direction and energy, purpose, uniqueness to your music, okay? People don't want to listen to the same 8 repeating loops, 8 repeating bars over and over again. Niggas be like, I'm gonna fuck your bitch. I'm gonna fuck your bitch. Hey, I'm gonna fuck your bitch. I'm gonna fuck your bitch. And the 808 be sounding like bonk, 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 over and over again. And that's only can be so cool. I'm sure it'll have energy, but listen, if you add them little EQs,
I don't think you're ready. Got one thing on.
you're already doing something big. Because when that bass drops, when that voice comes in, oh my God. Speaking of the voice, my guys, let's talk about the preset. I actually have a unique vocal template, okay? So, listen, I put the actual recording on here. I put the flipping auto-tune on there. So when I record, I hear my voice and it sounds auto-tuned up. Unique and beautiful, okay? Next up, I route it to the preset track. So it goes to the preset track and that's where the real magic happens. I have 2 EQs. Simple, take out the low end, accentuate the high end just a bit. I completely take out the low end again and accentuate the high end a bit. This one's, as you can see right here, is more of an EQ sweep. This one right here is just enhancing that vocal presence. Right here, I have a limiter. And I must admit, it's quite harsh, but it allows me to have more freedom and control in my voice. If I whisper a little bit and go, la, 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 you can still hear that shit completely. That's exactly how I'm gonna whisper in your bitch ear. Cast a flipping Sodi spell on her ass. Have her sucking balls. Anyway, let's keep it pushing, whatever. Sound good. Nectar 3. Nectar 3, I put on a de-esser. Some of y'all niggas really are in desperate need of that. And then a gate, noise gate, so I don't have that extra bullshit flowing in my ear. Keep the noise suppression so you get nothing but that clean vocal. Okay, next up, sound goodizer. I use the A preset and I turn that shit down a quarter. You see it, bro, just pay attention. I turn that shit down a quarter. Then I got the reverb right here. Boom. Turn that shit, keep it dry. It's not pussy, it's reverb. So keep that shit a little bit dry. You just want a little bit of sauce and wetness on there. Okay? And I like the sound of a small room, shit like that. Take a look and analyze it. Delay. I do it in the middle, big thing in the middle. This right here, cut off right here, simple. Now, here's a special detail about my preset. Okay, I actually use the inbuilt UI to enhance it just a little bit. If you take a look at the master equalizer of this whole preset, you can see that I'm fucking with some shebang-a-lang right here. Okay, so the equalizer goes up, goes down, so I can accentuate the bass and warmth of my vocals while also getting that high, glossy high end in the frequency range. You gotta understand, man, it's more than just a microphone. It's views and money coming in through my damn phone. Simple. Also, sound goodizer, if you take a look here, I just turned that down a third in the mix level because I don't want that shit to be like crazy, you know what I'm saying? Simple. Now, the unique thing about my vocal template is anything that falls in right here, I have it linked to the insert. All you gotta do is put it in track mode, audio track, link it to whatever track you got. I record my vocals 3 times, okay? And simple. So you just put the vocal in there. Listen, you just put the vocal in.
Got walked in on, I was 14. Niggas wanna know where I'm at, can ignore.
And then you can, it automatically goes to the left and to the right. Now let's talk about that. The Silas X sound, the Soldy Man sound, is a stereo sound all around you. Simple. So you go left and you go right, and I pan that out, and I make sure the stereo separation is turned all the way up. Hella important. The lead, I down mix it to mono, and that's gonna have that center vocal presence. The left and right cushion it and also give it that extra juice. You know what I'm saying? It's intricate shit right here. And that center vocal, that's gonna be the main thing that's present in the listener's ear. So that comes together to form a unique blend of Soldy sound.
Got walked in on, I was 14. Niggas wanna know where I'm at, can ignore me. Got a bitch talking on the phone, she adore me. She been running mouth, talking how she horny. Damn, niggas wanna know how fit to be the man. Ever since a youngin' nigga had big plans. I ain't got game, but
you get the idea. But you may be wondering, okay, but what about the harmonics? What about the extra Soldy sauce? Come on, man, you gotta let it. Okay, I'll let you in on it. Damn. All right. Simple. So what I do with the harmonies, I don't put them in 11, 12, and 13. Take a look. I actually just keep them in 10. Okay? So open up that channel rack. You got to do a little bit of tediousness here. Don't be a lazy piece of shit. What you got to do is you put it in, I tone it left. Here's a good example. And I tone it right. And we'll take a listen. And then it allows me to create room for the vocal, so it's not overpowered by the center vocal. All right.
Or me, got a bitch talking on the phone, she adore me. She been running mouth, talking how she horny. Damn, niggas wanna know how fit to be the man. Ever since a youngin' nigga had big plans. I ain't got game, but
let's take a look. Let's take another listen, another gander at the vocals. Nothing.
Niggas wanna know. Ever since a youngin'.
You just listen. And it goes in. Here's another example.
Tryna go green, yeah, I'm tryna get love.
All right.
And baby, let's do it to the morning.
Simple. All right. So, I mean, y'all got the deal. If you don't got it now, you'll never get it. All right. Listen. So now we're in the thick of it now. So there's a couple of special details that we'll go over now. So of course, you got the perks, you got the drums, you got the vocals, you got a little bit of the automation. But here's some of that extra shit y'all be forgetting. Some of them extra small details. Don't forget them, all right? Listen, this right here, another EQ thing. We don't even, you know what to do, you just do the thing, simple. Okay, next, I got another Soldy tag. We'll just listen to this. It's a text to speak bitch. It's the type it in, you know, I'm mute. So I have to use the text to speech. That's who it's for right there. All right. Simple. I add a little bit of Five Nights at Freddy's up in here.
Hi.
Simple. You already know the deal. And then I do a quick little fade out, master out volume. But there's one more crucial detail that allowed me to really save the game on this one. Check this out. The flanger or flanger or whatever it's called. I did a little, some of that on there. And let's get into that. Let me show you how I did that. So on the master, I have it turned off. Automated, I turn it on. And then I just have it set to where how I want it to sound. The only thing I messed with is 196 degrees on the phase and 80% on the feed. All right. I don't know none of this shit. I don't know nothing. I don't know what a single bit of this shit means, but I just be trying shit, experiment. All right. And then so I just turn it on and I turn it off. You see me? Turn it on, turn it off. Real simple. It's not that complicated. You just gotta use your brain a little bit. Simple. And that's really the whole thing. Listen, take a listen to my SoundCloud and shit like that. If you made it this far, you're either super hungry for that knowledge or just a real solely supporter. So like, comment, subscribe, repost, and do all that crazy shit. You know I love y'all. I've been seeing hella support. A lot of, maybe some new people coming in from that Get Gone type shit. I love y'all. Deep, deep. Love y'all deep. Simple. What else is there, y'all? Just go listen to the song and hear it for yourself. I love y'all. Let's listen to the finished product.
Y'all ready? You're listening to that Harmonies. I don't think you're ready. Got walked in on 14. Niggas wanna know where I'm at, can ignore me. Got a bitch talking on the phone, she adore me. She been running mouth, talking how she horny. Down, niggas wanna know how finna be the man. Ever since a young nigga had big plans. I ain't got game, but a nigga got plans. Niggas wanna hate, they be moving like bands. Fuck no, I'll come back now. Niggas wanna get emotional, we get emotional. Fuck typing on the ground, all you think is something now. Whole bitch, yes, yeah, niggas know it's so man. Got her in the bed, niggas looking like the ocean. Grabbing on the rails, screaming out, oh shit. Feeling like a pimp in the ass like the ocean. I think you need to breathe, yeah, I need a moment. Heard your damn song and I was like, another damn land, damn man, that's tough.
You already know the deal, y'all. Damn. Anyway, listen. It's been SAINTLYSILAS, holy man. And I'm out. You still here? You still here? Hey man, let me help you. Nah, I'm playing. If you're still here right now, then you must be a real solely supporter. Listen, new equipment coming in, new interviews. I'm bringing them back in March. Be ready. The revolution starts now.